Okay, yes sir. Back in business. So that's over, you feel me? Just got my hair done, you feel me? It look all nice and clean, you know what I'm saying? Know me who this, you know what I'm saying? Nah, but so that's over, you feel me? Fresh out the chair. So I'm about to go ahead today. I didn't even tell y'all what we really doing today. This a vlog. I'm vlogging like everything I'm doing today. But I also, let me put that down before I get copyrighted. But also, we doing the Honk prank. You feel me? So I'm about to go get the stuff. I'm gonna get like a little poster board. I'm gonna get some duct tape and a permanent marker. And we doing it on code. We supposed to link today and do some videos or whatever. So I don't know. I'm just gonna trick them, like run me to the gas station or something, or I'll probably have him drive my car. We're gonna drive his car. Either way it go, I'm putting the Honk. I don't know if I'm gonna put Honk, it's a prank, or Honk if I can't drive. I've been saying Honk if you horny, like all this shit. I should say Honk if you tired of COVID. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna put it on there, and we're gonna see his reaction. Like I said, I'm vlogging today, so I'm gonna just act like it's just a normal vlog, and we're gonna get his reaction and see see how he act. You know what I'm saying? When people just keep honking at him for no reason. So I'm on the way to I'll probably go to Family Dollar or something just to grab it. Probably ain't gonna be nothing but like little $2-3 or something. So I'm on my way to the store right now. So I'm gonna hit y'all back, pick it up when I get back in there. What's up, everybody? So I am pulling up to Cole House. I didn't vlog inside of Family Dollar because it was so many people in there and I was just trying to be in and out. I just told him that I'm 15 minutes away, but I'm actually pulling up. I got the stuff, so I'm about to, dang, and he parked all the way right here. Dang. Hopefully he don't see me. I'm gonna park down here. So hopefully he ain't looking out the window, cause he be on that. His little ugly self. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Okay, so this is what it say. He a horrible driver, so I'm already knowing they gon' home. So I'm gonna finish putting the tape on here real quick, and then I'm gonna put it on his car, and then I'm gonna go in like ain't nothing happened. So stay tuned. What's up, man? What's up, y'all? Cole in the cut. Y'all haven't seen him in a long time, but it's cool. We about to go to the. We doing a challenge, so we about to go to the store. And I'm vlogging. Okay, we about to go to the store. You know what I'm saying? Get some batteries.
That's what we're gonna get batteries for.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get the batteries for that. And we're gonna get that on there. So how you feel today, bro?
Good. You know what I'm saying? Little day off, so we chilling. I got some extra sleep and shit. You know that.
So you feeling nice? You feeling good?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Good vibes.
The vibes. That's cool.
We just heading to the little store, you know what I'm saying? Get some batteries for the challenge.
Yeah. It feel good outside today.
It's just hot.
Hopefully everything goes as planned. It's hot.
Yeah.
But that little breeze, it feel good on my hair. My hurt.
Little fresh done hand.
Yeah. Y'all like that? But yeah, hopefully everything goes planned, everything goes smooth. It's just a little vlog. So yeah, stay tuned. Like that. They honked at you?
Yeah. For what?
Why?
They laughing.
And she laughed at you?
Yeah, what's up?
Just go, bro. I don't think you should say nothing. Wow. Why would she do that? Some on the tire or something? Some on the tire or something? I was thinking, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know.
Bitch, what? I'm tweaking now. What's back there? Is there something on the car?
I don't know, bro. People is tripping. Maybe I should be vlogging.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Yeah. No, she said, get out my way, sir.
And she laughing. Not because she had to be over there to turn right. Like,
oh, no. She said, get the fuck out my way, sir.
Nah, because she was laughing. It wasn't on no, like, road race shit.
I know. That's so weird.
Like, ain't nobody else honking or looking or what.
I know. She the only one. Somebody honked at him. Okay. So we chilling. We got the battery. We got the battery. So we about to go.
I'm gonna have a heart attack, bitch.
We better go. Hello? People is trying to wreck us, bro.
Yeah, because you did something to my car.
Trying to wreck. I didn't do nothing to your car.
Something on my car?
No.
Remove the mask.
No, I don't have to remove my mask.
Fuck!
What?
There's something on my car.
No, it's not, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Why would you even say that, bro? Like, what? I'm like, what?
So that bitch humped.
I don't know why she humped at you, bro. She done had no. I told you she was trying to get your attention. She trying to fuck with the kids. Bro, I don't know what you're talking about.
Look, what you mean you don't know what I'm talking about? You the one who said that?
Whoa. Whoa, buddy.
Ah. Fuck, I'm scared. You got that dog?
Coming down. So you don't pay attention to details.
Yeah. No, I did notice that. But
No, you didn't know this shit.
Yeah, because you knocked on the door right after you sent that text, bitch, because I was thinking, shit.
Yeah, it sounds good.
What's on the car?
Where's Pearl?
And you tried to get me to leave so many times, and this is why I'm scared.
What?
Because, okay, we parked.
Eventually.
Nothing.
Running around with some bullshit.
Okay, so. How you feel? Hold on, cuz.
What is this shit?
How you feel,
One
man?
person home.